Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Look what we got here. This is a 2023 Volkswagen Arteon SEL Premium R Line. Look at how good this car looks. There's a video coming soon. Stay tuned to the channel. If you're interested in ordering this car or finding this car, buying this car, give me a call. 636-290-4257, 636-290-4257. I'm on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Reese Sells Cars. And remember, we give you 6 years of free maintenance on this car. Your 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60,000 mile oil changes are all covered. That is a local deal only. You have to come to my dealership to get that. 60,000 miles of free maintenance, and also a 10-year, 200,000 mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty free of charge. Again, 636-290-4257. I'm on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a great day.